Hey guys, how's it going? It's been a while since I've done a video, but just got this today. It's Craftsman LT 1000, 16.5 horse Briggs, 42-inch deck. Gonna get it going and sell it, but you know, it just amazes me the stuff that people throw away. I was in the grocery store yesterday, and this guy asked me if I was still scrapping. I said, kinda. And I said, why is that? And I was kind of hoping maybe he had a car. But told me I had this mower here. And I said, well, what's wrong with it? And he said, moving it between his place and his son's place, just tired of it, and has to jump it to start it. I thought, wow, you know. Yeah, I'll take it, no doubt. But another thing, old snapper, is this, well, actually, both these chainsaws here, POULAN 335 Pro, probably an 18-inch bar, and this little John Deere. Yep, John Deere. Little trimming saw. New chain on it. Didn't notice that. But yeah, both of these were free. Well, this one here I paid $5 for. I bought it out of a junkyard, and just got done shortening the rope up on it, or tightening the spring actually, and just nasty, but runs awesome. Here we go. What the fuck? Fucking recoil spring, man. I can see why they got rid of it. There's something inside the recoil. Unless you're pulling it straight up, it binds. Runs good though. But yeah, I can kind of maybe see why they got rid of it, but still, I mean, you know, for a cheap saw, it's not that bad, I guess. So, alright, thanks for watching.